Roast, fry, grill, stew, bake, make casseroles and more. Ceramic non-stick surface inside and out for stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Jumbo 16-inch pan with high sidewalls provides extra cooking and serving capacity. More efficient to use than a range burner or oven. Heavy cast aluminum pan is virtually waterproof. Roast, fry, grill, stew, bake and make casseroles. In this versatile Presto electric skillet, ceramic non-stick surface inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Jumbo 16-inch pan with high sidewalls provides extra cooking and serving capacity, great for every meal and entertaining. Luxurious tempered glass cover with stay-cool handle allows the skillet to double as a handy buffet server. Maintain the desired cooking temperature automatically with the Control Master heat control. Saves energy too. It's more efficient to use than a range burner or oven. The heavy cast aluminum pan is virtually warp-proof. Skillet is fully immersible with the heat control removed. Top reviews from the United States. This skillet is fabulous. First thing out of the box, I noticed big. Large enough for a big family. I bought this skillet to cook pancakes, and maybe hamburgers. I've found it is so versatile, I use it for a lot of other things as well. In the reviews I read, others complain that it has hot spots, and cycles too often, but the instructions say to heat it enough ahead of time to allow it to cycle 4 to 5 times to heat up to the right temperature and heat evenly. I do that, and have had no problems with uneven heating. It is made of a relatively thin aluminum alloy, which allows it to heat very quickly, but like I said, it needs a few cycles to evenly heat. One of the best things about this skillet is that its ceramic coating makes it super easy to clean. Many of the reviews I read said that they just wipe it out with a paper towel. I wasn't sure how that would work, and how sanitary it would be, but I tried it and it works very well. As far as being unsanitary, who scrubs their barbecue with soap and water every time they use it? This thing gets plenty hot to kill any bacteria, so I don't see it as a problem. There's a temperature guide in the booklet that came with it, and I follow that. Works well. The removable thermostat works consistently well also. I'd definitely buy it again.